Hello, Jaguars. It's another great day at Jefferson where students choose to grow, lead, and take an active role in outreach services. Together, we'll make our school, community, and our world a better place. So come on, Jaguars, let's get glowing. It's time for our weekly announcements for September the 6th through September the 10th. Our menu for the week is as follows. On Tuesday, chicken tenders and sauce. Wednesday, hot dog. Thursday, deli sub sandwich, and on Friday, cheese bites and marinara sauce. Students and staff, remember we all need to work together to lessen the spread of unwanted germs in our building. So please wash your hands often. Work very hard to keep your hands away from your face, especially the eyes, ears, and nose areas. It's extremely important to keep your hands to yourself. That means just don't be touching others, and please don't be touching their things. Practice social distancing as much as you can. Walk on the blue lines as we transition in the hallways. Currently, Kingsport City Schools is under a mask mandate, requiring a mask unless an opt-out form has been completed by a parent. Please enter the building each morning wearing your mask correctly over your nose and your mouth. If you're not feeling well, please communicate that with your teacher. It takes all of us doing our part to keep us safe and healthy. Also want to remind you, Jaguars, if you have masks that are washable, please make sure that you're washing those often. So let's get glowing. Parents and students, it's time to mark your calendars. Currently, we have made plans to go ahead with our fall field day. Kindergarten, 1st and 2nd grade, your field day will be held on Thursday, September the 30th from 9 until 11 a.m., followed by lunch on the lawn. And then on Friday, October the 1st from 9 to 11 a.m., 3rd, 4th, and 5th grade, you will be having your field day, followed by lunch on the lawn. Preschool, your field day will be sometime in the spring. We'll give you more details later. We have some glowing taking place in our building. Congratulations to Miss Parker's homeroom in 3rd grade for being the classroom with the highest attendance percentage for the month of August, with a whopping 98.4%. They now proudly get to display the blue lava lamp in their room for a month until the next homeroom will be named. I wonder if Parker's room will keep it for another month, or will another homeroom receive the honor. Miss Gage and Miss Connick's classes were tied in a close 2nd place, each with 97.6%. Also, at the end of September, a homeroom will receive the most improved in attendance for the month and get to proudly display the orange lava lamp. I wonder, who is it going to be? So come on, Jaguars, let's get your glow on and do your best to be in school every day. At Jefferson, we learn, laugh, and enjoy being together. You don't want to miss it. And now it's time to celebrate our birthdays for the week. Celebrating a birthday on September the 6th in kindergarten, Nolan F. 2nd grade, Mackenzie F. Celebrating a birthday on September the 7th in 5th grade, Isaac C. In 5th grade, Sophia H. And in 5th grade, Ben M. On September the 9th in 2nd grade, Nate H. In kindergarten, Brooklyn S. And in 2nd grade, Charlie S. Celebrating a birthday on September the 10th in 2nd grade, Christopher C. 1st grade, Alexander P. 1st grade, Isaac P. And on September the 12th, in 4th grade, Jaden K. Jaguars, enjoy celebrating your birthday. And now join me for some words of wisdom. In Counselor Connection, we've been figuring out ways that will help us glow. We talked about the importance of controlling the big emotions that might visit us from time to time, like anger, frustration, sadness, loneliness. It's important to have coping skills or coping strategies to help us. One great coping strategy to use is our Jefferson I Can hand. When that big feeling comes to visit, remember to first pause and then choose to practice deep breathing. Do it at least 10 times. Take a minute, Jaguars, and think about how we practiced deep breathing in Counselor Connection this past week. After you've completed your deep breathing, then third, focus your mind on something else other than the big feeling. And fourth, if you need to, move. And if that big feeling is still hanging around, then seek support. That means reach out for help. You know, Jaguars, a leader will always reach out for support. In Counselor Connection, we also read the story A Reflection of Me by Mark Colagiovanni. We learned that in order for each of us to truly glow, it starts with each of us practicing positive self-talk. You need to tell yourself each day positive things about you. Here are some examples from the Pathway to Success on what positive self-talk sounds like. There is no one better to be than myself. I am enough. I get better every single day. I am an amazing person. All of my problems have solutions. Today, I am a leader. I forgive myself for my mistakes. My challenges help me grow. I choose my own attitude. I'm choosing to have an amazing day. You know, Jaguars, if you practice positive self-talk every day and choose to control those big emotions inside of you, you will start glowing in no time. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Mann, your school counselor, on the lookout for the Jefferson glow. And now you may join your teacher for the Pledge of Allegiance, followed by a moment of silence.